Hello everyone, today, we will delve into an enchanting journey, where each ruby-like pomegranate is carefully nurtured from the orchard to your dining table. This isn't just a tale of agriculture, but also a testament to the creativity, hard work, and unyielding spirit of Asian farmers. Join me as we explore the world of this symbolic fruit, uncovering its harvesting and processing journey and how it has helped Asian countries establish a prominent position in global agriculture. Pomegranates, with their radiant red skin and juicy seeds, have long symbolized prosperity, health, and beauty. Beyond being a delicious fruit, pomegranates offer immense health benefits, from providing antioxidants and boosting immunity to improving heart health. Because of these qualities, pomegranates have become an indispensable part of the agricultural landscape in countries like India, Iran, China, and Vietnam. Here, vast pomegranate orchards are not only a stable source of income for farmers, but also a source of pride, showcasing the harmonious blend of nature's gifts and human ingenuity. Starting in Bountiful orchards, growing pomegranates is no easy feat. Farmers tend to each tree with utmost dedication and patience. The fruit requires a warm climate, ample sunlight, and well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Selecting the right variety. In countries like India and Iran, farmers often cultivate renowned varieties such as Bhagwa or Kandahar, prized for their large fruits, sweet flavor, and resistance to pests. Modern irrigation systems, drip irrigation technology not only conserves water but also ensures that the trees receive adequate moisture. Harvesting season, when the rubies shine bright. Harvesting pomegranates typically takes place from September to December, the period when the fruits reach their peak ripeness. With taut, glossy skin and juicy, sweet seeds. Hand-picking the fruit. Each pomegranate is carefully picked by hand to avoid damaging the skin or the seeds inside. Farmers use specialized shears to cut close to the stem, gently placing the fruits in baskets for protection. Sorting on site. Once harvested, the pomegranates are sorted based on size, color, and skin quality. The finest fruits proceed to processing, while the rest are consumed locally or used for livestock feed. After harvesting, pomegranates embark on a new journey of deep processing, transforming them into high-value products. This stage is crucial for elevating the status of Asian pomegranates on the global stage. Step 1. Cleaning and resorting. At processing facilities, pomegranates are thoroughly washed using high-pressure spray systems to remove dirt. Then, they are scanned and sorted using automated machines to ensure each fruit meets the highest standards in size and quality. Step 2. Key processing stages. Pomegranate juice, health in every drop. Seeds are extracted using advanced machinery and pressed to yield juice. The juice is sterilized and bottled, becoming a globally sought-after product for its rich flavor and high nutritional value. Frozen pomegranate arils, preserving freshness. The seeds are rapidly frozen using IQF, individual quick freezing, technology to maintain their natural freshness and color. These are popular as ingredients in salads, desserts, and beverages. Pomegranate jam, nature's sweet delight. Pomegranates are cooked with sugar to create jam, retaining their natural sweetness while extending shelf life. Pomegranate wine, a unique flavor. In countries like Iran, pomegranate juice is fermented to produce premium pomegranate wine. This wine is cherished for its distinctive sweet and tangy taste, often featured at elegant gatherings. Challenges in pomegranate production. Pomegranates have thin skins that are prone to cracking, making long-distance transportation difficult. Processing technology is still underdeveloped in some regions, limiting the ability to increase product value. Solutions: using protective packaging such as foam nets and high-quality cartons to minimize damage during transportation. Partnering with international experts to access modern processing technologies, enhancing export value. Today, Asian pomegranates are not only staples in domestic markets, but have also conquered demanding markets in Europe and the Americas. Products derived from pomegranates, from juice to wine, are beloved by consumers for their unique flavors and health benefits. The story of harvesting and processing pomegranates is not only a source of pride for Asian farmers, but also a testament to the immense potential of agriculture in integrating with global markets. If you found this story fascinating, leave a comment, share your thoughts, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more captivating agricultural stories. Thank you for watching.